Hello, in this video I want to show you how to delete folders from home screen on MacBook Air. And to do this, first we'll need to identify how our secondary click works, and to do that open System Settings and then scroll down to the trackpad. Inside there's a secondary click, and for me it's click in the bottom right corner, but you can change it to whichever one you like, and we'll need to use that. Now select whichever folder you want to delete. You can select multiple folders by dragging them like that. Then make the secondary click. So again, in this case it's click in the bottom right corner. I'm gonna do that. And here we want to move them to the bin. And now only thing to do is to go to our bin and empty it. So again, select all of the files, then you can click in the bottom right corner and empty the bin. Empty the bin, and now they are removed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.